What's up? Welcome to Alvin's Code Review. My name is Alvin Chung from Melbourne, Australia. And in this episode, we are going to create a colors list and make our spirals more colorful. Are you ready? Let's go. Now, this is the code from episode 2, and this is the output. Now, to create a colors list, we need to create a list. So we can go ahead and give our list a name. So colors is equal to a list. Now a list is usually in square brackets. Now we can write some things inside here. So red and orange. Now each of these colors are an item in this list colors. So if we go ahead and create the rest of the colors, yellow, similar to a shopping list has items you want to buy. In this case, this list has items you want to use, colors you want to use to make colorful spirals. So make sure you split each item using a comma and a space. Now, since we're making a random color, we don't need this pen color. Now we need to get a random color out of this list. And to do that, we need to import the random module. So if we go ahead and import random, what the random module does is it can pick out a random item in a list and other things. So if we comment this entire thing out, we can write here, random color is equal to random dot choice colors. And what this will do is random color will be a random color. So it would pick out a random choice in this colors list, a random item. So if we can go ahead and print random color and using the print statement and run this code, you can see in here, it is printing a random color. And if we run this again, red, and run it one more time, orange. Now we can get rid of this, uncomment all this out, and add this in the for loop. Now what you can do here is highlight this entire piece of code and drag it across the screen inside the for loop. And then we can write here, t.penColor is equal to random color. That means every time this loop is run, T will draw a random color, a line with a random color. So if we run this, you can see T is drawing a colorful hexagon spiral. Now we can also do the same using a square. So if we copy this using Control-C and then put in Control-V, and make sure this for loop isn't indented, because that means it will be inside this for loop. And comment this out using Control/. We can write in here, change this back to 90, and run this. You can see we get a colorful square spiral. Congratulations, you have completed episode 3. We have created a colors list, and made our spirals more colorful. I will see you in episode 4.